Welcome to my channel, guys. If this is your first time stopping by, hi, welcome. And if you're old here, welcome back to a new video. So my last video, I took you all through a step-by-step process of how I achieve my brows, how I make them look this good. So if that sounds like what you'll be interested in, I'll leave a link in the description. So when you're done with this video, or you can pause this video right now and go ahead and watch that video, then come back. And that has led us to this video right here. If you liked today's video, be sure to hit the notification, cause in my next video I'm going to talk about something even more interesting, trust me. With that said, if you'd like to see how I highlight, contour, apply my blush from start to finish, make sure you do not skip any part of this video. So to conceal your face, always use a concealer that is 1 to 3 shades lighter than your actual skin tone or your actual foundation. So the places you want to apply highlight on are your forehead, your under eye, your cubic bowl, your chin, and your nose. So for me, I like to make like an upside down triangle with my concealer. Upside down triangle with my concealer. Just let your concealer get a bit tacky before you blend out. So I'm just gonna highlight my T-zone, which is my forehead, my nose, my chin, and cubic bowl. For blush, I'll be using this strawberry shade on this area of my face, and that's what you should do also. For blush, don't just stamp the product in one place, always make sure to spread it out evenly. I started this one recently, so yeah, the bridge of my nose or the tip of my nose, whichever makes sense. So for contour, I'm going to be contouring my hairline first. So when applying contour, always start from your natural contour line. And I'm just doing the same for the other part of my face. Another way to get this correctly is just glide down from your earline, your jawline, and from my nose contour, I'm gonna be contouring starting from the beginning of my brows. You should always do this. Start from the beginning of your brows and just slightly take it down. Don't use too much product. If you are using a cream contour, you just need very little. And make sure for your contour, use a shade 1 to 3 shades darker than your actual skin tone. 1 to 3 shades darker. So I'm going to be using a damp beauty blender or a beauty sponge to blend it out. Remember to let your product sit, especially when you're using cream product, let it sit a bit on your face before blending out, and make sure your beauty sponge is damp. Dampen it well. So I'm just gonna blend it out, and I'm tapping on it. I'm not necessarily dragging out any products, I'm just tapping on it and blending out slightly, gently, like so. I just like to take my time when I'm blending out, if that makes sense. So little by little, I'm not dragging out any products, and I'm not forcefully doing this. If you can see what I'm doing, I'm taking my time and I'm just tapping on the products and spreading it out evenly, so there are no creases or harsh lines on my face. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Blending out my jawline contour. Always understand your shape of face before applying products. So to bring back warmth and structure, I'm just applying a pink blush on my cheek and I'm just using that same beauty sponge to blend it out. Why I'm repeating this process is because while we're blending out the concealer, in the process the concealer might have spread onto the blush and swallowed it up, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's why I reapplied the blush. And just to bring back warmth and structure to my face. If you watch this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed, please, I'm begging you, click the subscribe button, like and share this video, drop a comment down if you have questions and all that, and I'll do well to answer all the questions in the comment section. So yeah, I'm using setting powder to set my concealer and just set my face generally. I started with a setting powder. I also went in with the translucent powder for the rest of my face. I'm going to leave all the details of the products I use in the description bar, so make sure you check it out. So yeah, I'm just applying powder all over my face. Don't forget to drop your makeup questions and concerns in the comment section, and also to subscribe because the next video is going to be a banger. I'm going to be dropping another video very soon. So yeah, turn on notification bell so you get notified when this video is up. So I'm just baking. Am I really baking? Just a little bit, just baking. I don't usually bake, but yeah. So for my eyeshadow, I just went in one of the shades and I just used the big brush because yeah, I can. And I used that flat brush for my eyeshadow and all that. So yeah, now I'm applying glow to my chin, to my cheek, to my nose, and to all the other areas of my face where it's needed. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.